Hey students, welcome to Excel Tuitions, and today we will go through some most important and repeated question answers of the subject English. In this video, we will solve a passage first. Students, remember when you are solving the passage, you have to read it carefully. You have to read the full passage. So let us start. Read the following passage and answer the questions set below. It was his older sister's birthday and the boy had been given 50 rupees to buy something for her at the shop. He toured the toy department repeatedly without success. It had to be very special. He finally spied it. He wanted to show it to her almost as soon as he brought it home. Later, at the birthday party attended by her young friends, she began to open her new gifts, and with each squeal, the little boy felt more apprehensive. These girls were from wealthier families that could afford to spend far more than 50 rupees. Their gifts are expensive and shiny. His little package grew smaller and more insignificant. She finally opened his gift and he saw her disappointment. Suddenly, the beautiful bubblegum machine looked like the plastic cheap toy it was. To maintain her standing among her peers, she couldn't acknowledge the gift with much enthusiasm. Then she smiled knowingly at her friends and turned to her brother with a safe, patronizing tone and said, "Thank you, it's just what I wanted." He slowly picked it up, walked outside, and began to cry. The laughing and celebrating, which continued inside, only increased his pain. His toy seems to him small and cheap. Now solve the question answers. With reference to the passage, do as directed. Find a word from a paragraph 1 similar in meaning to anxious. Here, anxious means apprehensive. Second question, find a word from paragraph 3 opposite in meaning to expensive. So, this is paragraph 3. Opposite to expensive is cheap from paragraph 3. B. On the basis of your reading of the passage, choose and write the most alternative would complete each of the following statement. Do not copy the stem. First, the boy toured the toy department of the shop to see different types of toys, buy something for his sister's birthday, write an essay on toys, collect the toys for his father, and the correct option is buy something for his sister's birthday. Second, the gifts from the other girls were appreciated because they were costly, they were given with love. She always wanted such things, and the toys were of a new kind. The correct option is they were costly. Third, the boy was unhappy when his sister did not pay him any attention. He had been given only rupees 50. He saw his sister's disappointment. She made fun of him at the party. And the correct option is C. He saw his sister's disappointment. The laughing and celebrating inside dash increased his pain, made him happy, reminded him of his birthday, gave him satisfaction. And the correct option is increased his pain. Question number 2. Read the following passage and complete the tree diagram given below. In this video, we will solve the flow chart. So first read the passage given carefully. Environmental pollution is one of the most serious problems facing humanity today. Soil, water and air, which are necessary for the survival of all living things, are all harmed by pollution. Soil pollution damages the thin layer of a fertile soil, which is essential for growing food and plants and destroy helpful insects, worms, and bacteria in the soil. Water pollution leads to the depletion of oxygen supply in water. Besides this, it destroys living organisms in water and also results in contamination of the water, which makes it useless for drinking and cultivation. Air pollution harms health, causes many diseases, kills plants, damages properties. The most serious long range effects of air pollution are depletion of the ozone layer and the effects on the climate, the main effect being what is known as the greenhouse effect. Now look at the flow chart. Here pollution in 1, water, and 2 is given. So here we have to write pollution in soil, water, and air from the passage. Soil, water, and air. Next, soil destroys 3, worms, and 4. So here it is given insect, worms, and bacteria. So insect will be third and bacteria will be the fourth answer. Next is water pollution results in depletion of oxygen 5 and 6. So fifth will be destroying living organism and 6 contamination of water. Next is causes of air pollution disease. Then 7 and 8 we have to find out. So it is given in the last paragraph. Diseases. So 7 will be kills plants and 8 will be damage property. Now effects 9 and 10. Effects of air pollution are depletion of ozone layer and it affects the climate. So depletion of ozone layer will be the 9th answer and 10th is the. So you can write the answers as first soil, air, insects, bacteria, destroying living organism. 6 is contamination of water. 7 kills plants. 8 damages property. 9 depletion of ozone layer. And 10